What's going on, guys? Hey, today we're going to be doing a little bit different type of video. It's kind of a how-to, kind of not. I'll just show you, I guess, a little bit what we're doing. So we're going to be working on the Vstrom today. Now this is my Vstrom 650 and I got my dad's right here, and we're about to install our new radiator guards. These are just some cheapo eBay ones that basically match the RMG ones pretty much. That we're just going for cheap, and the reviews look good on these. These are like stamped or CNC'd ones, and they're pretty simple. So that's why I didn't see the point in paying like $70 to $100 for what I've seen for like RMG and other brands that literally come with zip ties and stuff. So all we got on this bracket here is a bolt and 2 tabs. That's it. And the only tools we'll be needing for this install is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket. And that's it. That's all you need for this install. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the bike, and then we're gonna install this one on Dad's. All right, so this is my dad's 650 V-Strom there. It's the same 2013 DL 650. Pretty much the same loadout. So that's the stock radiator, kind of in a vulnerable spot here on the front of the bike. You see we already got our bash bars and skid plate mounted to kind of protecting the engine and plastics and oil filter down there. So we need to go ahead and continue with that protection while not restricting any airflow to the radiator. And here's what it looks like all mounted up. And this is real similar to the RMG guard. This guard was only about 25 bucks on eBay, and pretty simple install. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so basically to get the radiator guard inside there with enough room to be able to safely put it on without damaging any of the fins or whatever, we gotta take these little plastic like air vents out that sit on the sides, both sides of the radiator. And all it is just a couple of Phillips head screws. That's what we're gonna be needing our screwdriver for. And they just screw in the plastic, so whenever you go to retighten them, you don't wanna over tighten it and strip it out. But yeah, we have one of these on both sides, so we'll be taking both sides out. Alright, showing you exactly where these plastic pieces come out at. On your V-Strom, you should see them right there, and then they got 2 little clips. And they just slide out. Careful, there's a couple of rubber grommets, or little rubber pieces that sit on top of the tabs there. Sometimes those will want to fall off. Both. And there we have it. Alright, now where we're going to use our little 10mm at is this little bolt right here, which holds the actual bottom part of the radiator on. And so all we're going to do is loosen that guy up, back it all the way out. Once we slide the radiator on, the bottom tab, we'll slide it in, fit the bolt back through, and tighten it up. That's it. That is all that is actually fastening the guard onto the bike. And this guard, good to go. So our next step, we're going to be putting these little air fins back on, calling it a day. You just got those 3 Phillips head screws to put on. But if you're gonna do any cleaning, now is probably the time to do it, because I don't plan on taking this guard on and off very often. So if you got any dirt, grime, or whatever, now's a good time to clean up. Just slide the things like that. Same way as you took them out. All right, there you have it. New rad guard is installed and bolted in. And it looks really good in there. And because it comes in that black powder coat, really tucks away, unnoticeable if that's the look you're going for. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you stuck around to the end, I really appreciate it. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see any more Vstrom content or just any of my travel vlogs or anything I've got coming up, go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.